Start by opening the Gmail app on your device. In the top right corner, select the icon to bring up account management options. In this screen, you will see all linked accounts and the option to add another. Down near the bottom of the screen, select Add Another Account. On the Setup email screen, select Exchange and Office 365. You will now be asked to enter your new email address and then are redirected to a new window for password entry. After entering your password, you will be asked for sign-in approval via your Microsoft Authenticator app or text message. Once the authentication has been approved, your account will be all set up. By again selecting the icon in the top right corner of the screen, you can switch between your different email accounts.